So my name's Jamie. I'm a molecular and computational biologist, and I work here at the James Hutton Institute in Dundee. So I did my undergraduate at Glasgow University, and then I moved up here to do a PhD. It actually is a global centre for agricultural and land use research. The thing that I love about working in sciences is that you get to work on the most important global problems like climate change and food security, and do your small part to sort of move those problems forward. And you get to do investigatory work, so you get to really get into the details of, it's a little bit of creativity in it. You get to design experiments, then you get to the results. You get to know something that nobody else knows just for a little bit of time. So the most rewarding part of working in science is that you get to have a sort of global impact. So you get to work on those big problems, and then in your small way you advance them a little bit. You don't always know where that's going to end up. So it can be really fundamental research, and it's not always clear that it's directly going to have an impact. And sometimes it does. So sometimes you work on, say, a resistance gene, and as soon as you identify that can go straight into breeding pipelines and it can start to protect crops. You also get to travel a lot, you get to meet a lot of people. I didn't always want to work in science necessarily. I wanted to be a doctor for most of my childhood, but my undergraduate degree, I was mostly focused on human parasites, so malaria, trypanosomiasis, and then I went to work in my honours project with Professor Mike Steer in the vet college, and that was on nematode parasites of sheep's guts. And that got me more interested in agriculture. It wasn't something I was really aware of before then. Working on the agricultural pests got me really interested in sort of the way that farming systems work, and the things that are good about them, the things that aren't so good and could be improved, and sort of smart solutions that weren't involved in chemicals that we could use to sort of improve outputs and drive down carbon emissions and really make a big impact. So a lot of my work has been sort of very fundamental. So a lot of what I've done is to generate bigger data sets that could then go on and be used to improve barley breeding, so we can make the crop better, we make it more able to survive in hot or very wet environments, can we make it more nutritious, could you make it more resistant to pests and diseases, and all of that stuff goes on to improving food security. So I'm excited to see where they take it.